Hi everybody and welcome to week 5. I know, I'm excited. I am going to grade all of your assignments from last week and have them done today. Usually I would try to get those done yesterday, but I had some things pop up. Sorry about that. I wanted to talk to you about this week a little bit. You have really 2 assignments as far as other than your quizzes. One of them is to sort of further explain your research plan. Basically, you know, kind of get an idea of what are some things you could do, where are some extra places you could look to help to sort of tie things together and tie together your understanding of your topic. You know, would it help to look up further primary sources? Would it be helpful to, you know, is there an element of something you don't think you understand necessarily? That would be helpful. Also on, so that was really for the discussion. That's what you're being asked to do. Also, on the second assignment, where it's the worksheet and basically you just have to, it sort of gives you the instructions and you just have to erase the instructions and type your answers. Make sure you erase the brackets. We don't need brackets, okay? That is just there to tell you what you need to do. So it says you can go ahead and use a primary source that you already have and a secondary source that you already have. That is totally fine. But again, make sure that you follow the rules, check into the library if you need to look on how to do APA formatting properly, because you will get counted points off if you don't. Second, one asks about the context, okay, historically speaking. So you have a topic that you're looking into, okay? What you need to kind of tell me is, what was society like in general at the time your historical event, things were happening. You know, maybe it's a global view, especially if you're doing China, what was going on globally. Heck, what was going on globally at the time apartheid was happening. You know, if you look, what struggles were the United States facing at the time we were drafting the Constitution. A lot of you have varying topics, but it helps if you kind of have a broader understanding of what was going on in that time period, because it helps you understand the topic that you're writing about. Also, how does this source help you support your thesis? I know I posted it a couple weeks ago as sort of an easy way, sort of a formula almost for writing a thesis. And a lot of people are like, I don't understand this. Basically, you are writing a statement, okay, a thesis statement, and you're trying to tell me, you're trying to take a stance on something, okay? Maybe it is, while drafting the Constitution, you know, maybe this is your research question, while drafting the Constitution, what are some struggles that the United States faced when it came to compromising? And maybe in your thesis you would say, when the U.S. Constitution was being written, there were multiple struggles at compromise, and that included A, B, and C. And then that's kind of a good thesis, because you're telling your reader, usually in the last sentences of the introduction paragraph is where you find your thesis statement. So it's usually good there because it kind of tells your reader what's coming up, and it also tells your reader, you know, this is the point, these are the points I plan to make in order to support my writing. I might be able to find, I saw a good method sheet the other day on how to sort of construct a paragraph and actually a whole essay, which you are not doing in this class, but you are going to be asked to write your introduction with a good thesis statement. And I'll kind of maybe just give you that part of the activity. And then one thing that it is going to ask you to do is give some historical context. Like I said, what was going on during this time period. And then also, there's one other paragraph on that assignment, so it should be pretty easy. But make sure you answer what the worksheet is asking for. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I am always here, always happy to help out. like I said, I do plan on getting those activities to you from last week today. Again, sorry for the delay. But I hope you are having a good day. I hope it is not as hot as it is here where you live because I'm spending most of my day in the house today. So have a great week. Like I said, if you need me, email me, text me, whatever is best for you. And like I said, I usually check once a day, my email. So have a good one. Stay cool. Bye, guys.